So now let's look at the product property of exponents. So the key to this one is you have the same base. Okay, here we go. We got 6 squared times 6 to the third power. Now let's look at this in expanded form. This says I have 2 6's being multiplied, 2 6's being multiplied, times, now this is 6 cubed, so we have 3 6's being multiplied, 1, 2, and the third 6 being multiplied. Now, how many 6's grand total do we have being multiplied? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6's being multiplied. So 6 to the fifth power would be how we write that. Now check it out. There is a shortcut on all of these. This is meant to show you so you can see why the rule works. So look at this. The 6 stays the same base for the product property. And then we're just going to go 2. We got 2 there and I got another 3 there. So 2 plus 3 makes 5. So here's 2 6's and another 3 6's for a total of 5 6's. You just add up the exponents.